Hello, Joshua Collin here. Thought I'd do a quick tear down. This is a 3600 milliamp power bank that has failed. What has happened was the USB port, it got the connections broke and will not do anything. So I've already had this apart. Of course, I don't really have any fingernails because I chew them. Both ends come off. Then I bought this spudger for a three-way switch for a fan, and doesn't want to cut it, so you'll hear me cough because I'm under the weather a little bit. I really hate being sick. Simple as that. This is just one out of Walgreens. It has FST 2000 milliamp 18650s. Really simple. 4 LEDs on a satellite board for the charge indicator. Push button right here to activate it. Right here. Then here's the circuitry. Got the little inductor. Let's see. 14-pin chip, which probably is both the charge controller and a boost circuit. As you can see, I'm going to take the satellite. It's not going to come off. As you can see down there, yeah, I can fully stick this spudger underneath the connections. That's how bad it is. LED light, that is the flashlight. You got some transistors or MOSFETs, resistor capacitors, inductor, battery plus, battery negative. And you got two little 6-pin control chips. Probably these are actually, honestly, I don't know. My mind is just sort of frazzled. So simple but effective. I probably will be tearing these 18650s apart and using them for some other project. I got a vacuum that failed, and I forget what that issue was with those, but yeah, I'll be keeping this. And then it just snaps right back together with everything. Like that. It doesn't matter which side these go on. There we go. Inside of a broken power bank. See, this one works. It's fully charged. Press and hold shuts it off. One press turns it on. Double press turns the light on. Double press turns it off. Press and hold shuts it off. And these are the same exact power bank. I bought this one first, and I bought this one, and I've upgraded to big 6,000 milliamp power bank, which has three 18650s, 4 LEDs, no light, press and hold, or just one click off. Much simpler. Of course, that's part of my ADC, which I'll do a video one of these days. Let's see. That one's the dead one. This is the good one. And here's a little 2,000 milliamp single 18650 battery bank. Yeah, I got way too many. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.